Oh my goodness. She wants that bacon. Sit. Obviously, we clean stuff here.
Bleach is your friend.
Bleach is our friend.
Alright, I'll take this. Do you want that?
Okay. Now, since we didn't give her any bacon, she's angry eating. Now we have to clean. And that's how our Sunday morning starts. I'm so over my phone. It is like not loading anything. And it's really, ugh. I'm over iPhones. Completely done with them. Just done. Okay, Candace, you're gonna be a new dog soon. You're gonna lose all of that hair. Or fur, excuse me. Puppy! Hi! You're all shaven and showered and clean. Good girl. And of course, after the haircut and shower, she is tired. Silly Candace. Yeah, she's out. So we're watching a movie. We watched one episode of Walking Dead and we're watching Under Siege right now. And it is chilly enough for me to be wearing pants and hoodie. And what am I hungry for? Ice cream. It's delicious. Alright, so it's 51 and I'm eating ice cream. And I have
in the eyes of angels.
I have this staring me down. It's awful. Stop it.
Making you feel guilty, Brittany?
No, I do not feel guilty. I just can't stop laughing. Really quick before I go to bed, I'm listening to the newest Mugglecast, and that in and of itself is good and awesome and cool. But I was just looking at the weather. Just look at this. This is what it is right now. This is what it is tomorrow. That's what it is tomorrow night. What is wrong with Florida? Oh my goodness. I just watched tonight's Walking Dead episode. And, oh my god. Norman Reedus, in case you're new to these vlogs, Norman Reedus is hot. Incredibly hot. Especially when he's beating people up. Which, what does that say about me? But, you know. Anyway. At the very end of tonight's episode, I and a couple other people swore he was going to say the prayer from Boondock Saints. It was like an homage to it without even doing anything. It was kind of cool. So, oh my gosh, Walking Dead. Oh my gosh. And tonight, Carl finally learned, you know, consequences, cause and effect. And yeah, he was a big one in this episode too. So, very excellent episode, and I'm going to bed soon. Good night. Watch Walking Dead. Don't be a zombie. Watch it.